What the? Goodness, I missed this update. Oh no. Oh my god, I missed it. How can I solve this issue? Goodness. Yeah, I know that just like me, many of you face this issue as well, where you miss a very important update on Telegram, and when you check it out, it's already too late for you to do what you needed to do when it first came. And that's why this very brief tutorial is made for you. Okay, and it's just simply how you can customize the notification sound, okay, to the very word you want to hear that will surely notify you and remind you that this particular update that has been put is what I need to hear to take action immediately. Okay, first and foremost, what do we need to do? We need to get a voice recorder, okay? And of course, many phones have their default voice recorders, but one challenge is that a good number of them don't save directly as .mp3, because to be able to add a custom sound to Telegram, it has to be saved in mp3 format. Okay, so instead of going through the work of having recorded your default sound and it's maybe in .aac or .m4a and you have to go and convert it, we are going to download an mp3 recorder app. Okay, and it's very simple. All you need to do is just go to your Play Store and look for the mp3 recorder, which I want to go to now. So there it is. You can see that I've already just installed it. Okay, it's called mp3 recorder. So once you find it, this is how the logo looks like. You just install it and press open. All right, and once you press open, of course I don't want it to always run in the background, so I'll deny that. So once you press open, all you need to do is to record the sound you want. Okay, but take note of certain things. It must not be more than 5 seconds. Okay, it must not be more than 5 seconds in duration. Very important, so that it is not rejected. So what I'm going to do now is, for example, like I showed earlier, I'm just going to call the notification. I'm just going to speak out an acronym, okay, that denotes the particular group I'm in. So let's record now. Okay, so I'm calling it TETC, okay, as the acronym for the group. So I go to TETC. I'm just saving it now, TETC, and I press OK. All right, so we've got it there now. And having done this, the next step is now to go to Telegram. All right, go to the particular group you want to change the default notification to your custom one. Just tap on the name of the group. Okay, now you will see here notifications. You see now most times it's default here. Now it's because I've changed it. Okay, it's because I've changed it, so it's showing custom, but it will be notifications default. Take notes. So just tap on that notifications default and press customize. Now once you press customize, what you are going to do now is you go to the sound option. Once you go to the sound option, just press upload sound. All right, upload sound, and go and get, for example, look at the recent files I have. So you just pick the particular one you just created, which you call TETC. Just press it, and now you can see that it has just loaded it as one of the sounds, okay, that I've created. And you just tap the TETC. Sweet. All right, and yeah, that's just basically it. You can see the sound is now set to the customized TETC, so that whenever of course your internet is on and you have a notification from there, instead of hearing the default banana or whatever the default sound is for your phone, you get to hear specifically TETC. Okay, it's extremely useful, especially for sites where you need to be up to date, you understand, to get what they are updating, so that the time doesn't run out. I hope this helps you so much. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification icon to get more useful digital related tips to make your life easier and seamless. Thank you so much.